Welcome back to Tiny RV Cooking. First, I'd like to invite you to like, subscribe, share, and ring that bell for new notification on videos. I'll be putting out new videos every Monday and Wednesday. So today, I'll be making my version of creamy pasta. I came up with this recipe when my eldest was just a baby because he refused to eat baby food. As he grew up, I changed the ingredients to make it more child-friendly to adult-friendly. He's now 29 years old. So the ingredients we're going to need are 4 cups of chicken broth. You can use veggie broth or plain water if you choose. Onion powder, garlic powder, pepper, salt, 1 8-ounce of cream cheese, 1/4 dry mustard. To give it a little kick, we like to put a little bit of hot sauce in it, and 1 package 16 ounces of pasta. Any pasta you like, just make sure it's kind of small. And we're going to do it in our Instant Pot. To my pot, I'm going to add my pasta. My 4 cups of water. If 4 cups is not enough, you can always add more, but we need to make sure the pasta is covered. You want to make sure all of it is covered up. So I needed for me, I need 4.5 cups. One-fourth dry mustard. And a few shakes of hot sauce. You can leave out the hot sauce if you don't like it. I'm going to mix it up. Get what I got spilled on the side off, so I don't get any kind of burn notice. Push it all down. We're going to put the lid on. We'll cook it on high pressure for 5 minutes with a quick release. So, pressure cook, normal, right? Then I need to go down. My bell is good. I'll see you back in when this is done, come to pressure. We're going to carefully drain it, but we need to reserve all the liquid. Put it back in our pot. Shake, shake, shake. It's okay, there's some left because we're going to need the liquid. We have our pasta back in our pot. We're going to press saute. Let it heat up just a little bit more. The pasta came out perfect. This clip right here, it holds, if I put it on the side, it will hold the pot together. So when I put food and stuff in it, see, it doesn't move. Just have to find a really good strong clip. Doesn't have to be too big. Okay? I'm just adding my liquid back as I need it. So about 1/4 cup I put in. Because we're not adding milk, we do want to add our liquid back. And there's a lot of flavor. Even if you just have water, there's a lot of flavor in it. So don't throw it away. Not till the end. I usually always reserve my liquid. You just never know if you need it. A lot of this I do by taste. So 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. A 1/4 of salt. 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder. And we're going to just throw our cheese in. If you didn't cut your cheese to soften all the way, then you should cut it up and put it in a little bit at a time. Just slides right out. And we're going to mix. See how it's not moving around? You might want to, if the seasoning is too much or not enough, you can always adjust it to your flavor. Or you can put different seasoning in with this kind of pasta. You can even taste really good with seasoned salt, especially if you make your own. Or just don't put hardly any seasoning in it, and it's good for kids. My baby ate this a lot. He loved it. And all my kids ate it as they grew up. Okay, let's give it a taste. Perfect. It's absolutely perfect for me. I'm going to add a little bit more to my broth. 1/4 cup, and I'm going to let that cook down, and it'll be absolutely perfect then. It won't take long either. As you can see, it's already soaking up the liquid. Perfect. And now for the fun part, we get to try our food. Okay, we're gonna dish up in our bowl. I have my little bowl. I like to have parsley, because I like to put on my food, already cut up. So I put in a little bag, just to give it a little bit of color, because it is kind of like a bland looking dish. And we're serving along with our cheesy bread. You'll find a video about how to make this great cheesy bread on my YouTube channel. You should look into it. It's so easy to make. And now for the fun part. We get to try our creamy pasta. I made Texas cheesy toast. Let's give it a try. So good, nice and creamy, a little bit of heat, a little bit of seasoning, but it all goes well together. The great thing about this pasta is all you need is your pasta. You can use water, chicken base, vegetable base, whatever you want to put in your water. Make sure you always reserve the water. Never throw away till you're done. And your cream cheese. The seasoning can be always changed to whatever your liking is. Or you can throw a little bit of bacon in here or whatever. If you don't eat gluten, use gluten-free pasta. So good. Gotta try it with my cheesy toast I made. So simple, so easy, must try recipe. Thank you for joining me at Tiny RV Cooking. Please like, subscribe, share, and ring that bell for new notification on videos. I put out new videos every Monday and Wednesday. Please leave a comment down below what you'd like to see me make in my tiny kitchen. Or leave a comment down below if you made any of these great recipes featuring on my channel. My camper is only 22 foot long, but I love her. I'll see you next time on Tiny RV Cooking. Bye!